Hey guys, it's me Stace. Today we'll be using the Cricut machine to make this layout. This is how it looks inside Design Space. It's called Brotherly Love. The only thing I did was change out some colors. So the first thing I have is a piece of brown cardstock. This is 12 by 12. Then I chose this green pattern paper. This is 11.5 by 11.5. We're going to flip this over and put some sticky strip on the edges of it. Sticky strip, score tape, just something to hold it down. And the layout is going to be of my grandkids, and I chose the colors of it to kind of match the picture. And I'll do one more in the center just for good measure. Now I got this tape off of Amazon. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and grab my bone folder and give all this a rub. I do think it helps take the paper backing off a little bit better. So I am back to doing crafty videos. We are officially moved in. We're still hanging curtains, cleaning off the stickers off the windows and all that kind of stuff, trying to get organized. But we're in, and we could not be happier. The girls love having the yard. I love them not having to have a leash on them all the time. And we have been busy the past. We moved in April 25th. It was a Sunday. And first we had no power in the master bedroom and then 3 outlets in the front family room. Then we had no water. Then the pump guy came out, or the plumber came out to look at the pump. Then we had gray, stinky, sulfur smelling water. So we had another guy come out and put in a water system for us. So the water is clear, no longer gray, and does not stink. And actually tastes really good. Then we have the manufacturer of the mobile home coming out on Wednesday to do a walkthrough of it, so they can fix the few issues I did find that were wrong with it. Alright, so I have my tape removed on this one. We're going to go ahead and center this on this one. Hopefully center, right? Or as close as we can get to it. Okay, so now looking at the layout, we have this piece that's going to go down first. Then we have this piece is going to go on top of it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and glue this one down. And I'll be using the Barely Art Glue. I tried it the other day. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. It's not like art glitter glue. I really did love that glue. And when I went to buy more glue off Amazon, this was much cheaper. I'm just going to dab off the extra glue on a piece of scrap paper so it doesn't bleed through on my layout there. Alright, and this is going to go down here more so I can put the lettering on. Alright, so we have that. Then we have the little banner that's going to come down here. And I think for this, I'm going to be using this too. I did notice with the Barely, what's this called? Barely Art Glue. I did notice if you're using like a thin paper, it tends to buckle up a little bit. I don't really like that. And usually that's common with a wet glue. I would normally use my ATG gun for this, but I need tape for that. So I'll be doing a mobile home tour soon. I'll probably be doing a chatty video soon as well. Alright, I'm just going to eyeball this. It just kind of goes down here somewhere. Alright, and then we have... This is going to go on next. No. This other banner is going to go behind that, like that. So we're going to put that banner on. And the original design inside Design Space for this photo layer, it did have names on there already. And you can just double click on the text box. You can bring up the font to change out the names. And I also added the year on there as well. Alright, so let's take this off. And this is going to go I'm gonna put it like, I guess I'm gonna put it right there because it kind of stuck there. Okay, that's fine. This will go here like this. All right, let's go ahead and this. I cut this down. This was whatever size this was. I did cut it down to 5 by 6. You can see on the back there I wrote it down because my picture was only 4 by 6 and I cut it to 4 by 4. And I also changed out the font for the word brotherly on the layout. I did not keep that either. I used Don Juan. Okay, let's take the backing off of these guys. And this isn't going to go into a scrapbook album or anything. It's just going to go on, I have a piece of 16 by 16 tile. I'm going to kind of put it on that. And it'll be home decor. I think oftentimes our photos or our layouts go into albums and we forget about them. Alright, that's going to go like that. Alright, let me show you the picture. This is of Jaden and JC. There's JC there and there's Jaden. And you'll see there's green in Jaden's shirt and blue in JC's jacket. So I grabbed those two colors. Again, give it a little rub. So hopefully you guys are all doing good, staying safe. We're all doing good here. Again, take the backing off of all these guys, and I will pop up the hearts and other elements of the design. Alright. And my colors don't match exactly, but at least they're you know, close. Like I definitely think this green makes his jacket pop. Alright, so now we have the lettering. The word love, and I did leave that font the same as it was. I didn't change that because I kind of like that blocky font here. Okay, that's going to go like this. And it looks like from the photo they have the question mark kind of going halfway on the photo. So let's see if we like that. I like to place things before I lay them down. Okay, I think it looks pretty good. Again, I'm just going to use that Barely Art glue, just a little smidgen, and dab it off. And then place these on there. And I'm going to purposely go kind of wonky because I kind of like that look for this layout. Okay. Last letter here. Okay, and then we'll put the question mark right where it is on the photo. Again, I'm just dabbing it off. The extra glue over there on the side. Okay, a little dot. And tomorrow we'll be back with either a Brother Scan-A-Cut video or a cameo video. I'm not quite sure which one I want to do, but I have the ideas for both. Alright, so now we have the word brotherly, and again, like I said, I cut that out in Don Juan lettering, the same color here. Now I'm just going to kind of place that on the very top of the frame. Again, I like the blue against the green. I think Don Juan is a really cute font. Just a matter of picking up all the letters. Okay. And I'm just going to start going across the top. And again, I'm going to be doing a lot of dabbing off here on the side, because this is a skinny font. So dab, dab, place. And I'm going to place this, again, not straight. If I tried going straight and I was crooked, you can tell. But if I go crooked, I think it looks better. Kind of up a little bit. And then twist them, make them uneven. And I'm hoping I have enough room to where I'll stop at the end of that brown piece there. Okay, I think I will. Get that T down there. So have you guys used the Barely glue? Do you like it? Have you compared it to the art glitter glue? Which one do you like better? I still think I do like art glitter glue a tad bit better, but it was so expensive on Amazon. I couldn't justify the price. And Harley is sleeping behind me, so if you hear snoring, that would be her. Oh, I got glue on my finger, I think. Okay, 3 more letters, then we'll add the hearts. And I will pop up the hearts. That's what I like about the Cricut Design Space with the Make It Now section. You know, if you see something that inspires you, you can completely make it your own. And I do like that a lot. Oh, I put some glue at the bottom of that. And dab it off again. There we go. I think it was just going to fit there. And you can always go in and do like some fake stitching around the letters to emphasize them more. I'm just doing like a basic layout. Okay, we're going to put the Y right there. Alright, now we have the hearts, and I cut out the 2 hearts the same color as the question mark. And I couldn't decide my other color. I didn't want to do green because it was going against this. I don't want to go brown, so I went with white. I figure that'll be fine. What do you think? Alright, now let me grab my foam squares and see if I like them over here. Do I want maybe the yellow? I don't know if I want the yellow over there. What do you think? I'm okay with that. Alright, let's go ahead and pop them up. And again, these foam squares, Amazon. These are really thick foam squares though. And that's got to be almost 1/4 inch. I didn't realize they were that thick. I'm using the littler ones on the smaller hearts. I'm doing 2 on those. Alright, give them a squish. Take the backings off. Okay, and that's going to go up here. She's starting to snore. Do you hear? And I'm trying to make it so I don't have yellow against yellow and white against the white. So I'm putting the whites here. Actually, I'm going to have a white there, aren't I? Yeah, we're going to go that way. Okay, so I have another white. I have a white against the white. And I did 3, so there's 3 white and 3 of the yellow color. Okay. Like I said, if you have a brown pen or something, whatever color you chose for your cardstock layer, you can definitely go in there and dot around it. I might do that. I don't have a brown pen, but I have a black one. I could probably do that just to accent a little bit so it's not so flat. It'll kind of lift the page up a little bit. But there you have it, a really simple layout inspired by the Brotherly layout inside Design Space. Again, the only thing I changed were the colors, of course, to match my photos. The font they had for Brotherly, I changed that to Don Juan. I cut this down to be 5x6, and I just, you know, chose different papers and whatnot. But anyway, guys, there you have it. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.